ಒನ್ ಟು ತ್ರೀ ಎಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕನ್ನಡಗ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪ್ರಣವಶುದ್ಧ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತಪಸ್ವಿ, ಹೆಡ್ಡು ಶಾಂತಿಗಿರಿ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಮೈಸೂರು ಬ್ರಾಂಚು ತುಂಬಳ ವಿಲೇಜು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು 3ാം ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ ಸ್ಥಾಪನಾ ದಿವಸ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದು. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಂದು ವಿವಿಧ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಜನಸೇವನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದು ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ಮಡಿಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪು, ನೇತ್ರ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅನ್ನದಾನ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆದುರ ಸೇವನ, ಆ ಥರ ಕರ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿಗಿರಿ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಇಸ್ ಫೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನವಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕರುಣಾಕರ ಗುರು, who established the ashram in the year 1964. Since then, it is working as a center for excellence for universal peace and brotherhood. And till the age of 72, in 1999, Guru merged in the Adi Sankalpa. After that, Abhibandha Shishyapuita Janani Abhandrachana Tapasini. She has been Guru apparent, taken as the charge. Now we have 32 branch ashram across the country and 100 medical college, two medical college and 100 hospital. And 23 small scale industries are working around Kerala and other part of India. Ashram is spreading the message of universal peace, brotherhood and except from caste, creed and religion. There is no barrier of caste. Human livelihood should be taken care. The 3 pillar activities of the ashram is Annadanam, Adara Sevanam, Atma Bodhanam. All the branch ashram very near to Mysore branch. We have a branch ashram in Hosur, one branch ashram in Bangalore, Sarjapura Road, and one branch ashram in Sultan Bathery. All the branch ashram we have Annadanam and free medical camp and other educational activities. I request all the human beings to come to ashram to experience the blessing of Guru. The main mission of Shantigiri Ashram is Guru Puja Epidrishuddhi, through which highly spiritual quotient children to be taken birth in your family, and through them livelihood of your family can be enriched, and that such children the Pitrashuddhi, Gotra Shuddhi and Deva Shuddhi can be taken place. So once again I thanks all the people who came here. More than 500 people attended the medical camp, the free Annadana, and we have conducted one Shanti Yatra for the spreading the message of Guru. I thank all the people who supported us. I thank the media especially for their support. Thank you very much, Sagurushan.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.